Today I made Perkedel Jagung, and that is corn fritters. Do you want to know how to make this? Stay tuned. For Perkedel Jagung you will need 200 grams sweet corn kernels, 3 tablespoons chopped green onions or to your liking. Optional, 1 tablespoon chopped celeries or 1 teaspoon chopped lime leaves. 4 tablespoons flour, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, a half teaspoon baking powder, some water. I need about 30 milliliters. The ingredients and spices to be grinded are 75 grams sweet corn kernels, 4 cloves of garlic, 40 grams shallots, a half teaspoon coriander powder, a quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, a half teaspoon salt or to your liking, a half teaspoon pepper, a half teaspoon sugar. Now I will take 1 egg of my lovely hands. And here I have 1 egg. And now how to make Perkedel Jagung. Grind all the spices, shallots, garlic, 75 grams sweet corns, and 1 egg until it becomes a fine mixture. Put this mixture in a large bowl. Add 200 grams sweet corns, chopped green onions, chopped lime leaves or celeries. Stir well. Mix the flour, cornstarch and baking powder in a bowl. Then add it to the corn mixture. Stir gently and pour the water little by little to your need. Thereafter, let the mixture rest for 20 minutes. Heat a lot of oil over medium heat. Fry the mixture until it becomes golden brown on both sides. When the corn fritters are done, take them out and put them on a plate covered with a kitchen paper. Absorb the excess oil with a kitchen paper. Here we go, crispy Perkedel Jagung. So that's how I make Perkedel Jagung. Let's eat it. It's very crispy, so I like it. Did you enjoy this video? Please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you for watching.